welcome back to Autowondr. The future of American luxury takes another bold step forward with the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus, a vehicle that doesn't just reflect elegance but redefines it. The all-new Nautilus is more than a midsize SUV. It's Lincoln's declaration that serenity and tech can coexist in perfect balance. On the outside, the 2026 Nautilus is expected to continue the daring design language first introduced in the 2024 model, but with a few futuristic touches. Expect a sleeker profile, sharper crease lines, and a refined take on the Lincoln-embraced lighting choreography. A wide grille, now potentially illuminated in top trims, will stretch seamlessly into slimmer pixel LED headlights. The rear is anticipated to maintain the full-width LED light bar, but with added 3D detailing for a deeper sense of visual depth and motion. A fresh set of aerodynamic wheels and subtly reworked lower body panels hint at efficiency without losing that commanding road. Inside, the 2026 Nautilus will likely push even further into digital luxury. The immersive 48-inch panoramic display, first seen in the 2024 redesign, could return with sharper resolution and expanded customization. New interior themes inspired by nature, like coastal morning or urban sunset, might offer ambient lighting, scent diffusion, and soundscapes that respond to your mood. Expect improved seats with more advanced massage programs, finer leather alternatives, and an expanded rear seating experience, potentially with recline and climate controls in upper trims. Under the hood, we anticipate the continuation of Lincoln's hybrid forward strategy. The 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, expected to produce around 310 horsepower, will likely be more refined and efficient, possibly offering 40+ mpg combined. All-wheel drive will likely remain standard, with a suspension tuned for smooth, quiet confidence. A plug-in hybrid variant may join the lineup later, offering electric-only range for short trips. Technology takes center stage, with Lincoln Blue Cruise 2.0, allowing hands-free driving on more miles of mapped highways, smarter parking assist, and even biometric cabin start features on the horizon. The 2026 Lincoln Nautilus isn't just an SUV. It's a sanctuary on wheels, where premium craftsmanship, advanced tech, and a sense of calm come together for the next generation of luxury.